What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're going to be doing a little upgrade to the setup, hopefully. It depends on what you guys say. We're going to be looking at a new microphone. Now currently I am using the Rode VideoMicPro. I've been using it for pretty much the duration of this entire channel. Today we are looking at the SMX-15 powered shotgun video microphone by Azden. Now I came across a video by Caleb over at DSLR Video Shooter. He has an awesome channel. He's helped me out a lot. If you're interested in any kind of filmmaking, lighting, audio equipment, cameras, definitely go check him out. I'll leave it down below. But he did a comparison video of the Azden and the Rode VideoMicPro along with another one, I can't remember what it was, but pointed out something that I didn't really ever notice until I saw this video, that the Rode VideoMicPro sounded a little bassy. And I was like, well, let me get this and give it a try. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna compare this with the Rode VideoMicPro and I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. I'm actually gonna leave a poll over on the community page. So to get to the community page, just go to the homepage of this channel and go click on community at the top and then you'll see the post there. Let me know what you guys think sounds better. Okay, so the SMX-15. Now this is a $200 microphone. Now surprisingly, it's not very well known. It's only got about 17 reviews, but it's a 4-star rating. So apparently those 17 people really like it. All right, so first off, we got an instruction manual. We have a sticker. Oh, we got a little carrying pouch. It's definitely not leather. It's like a plastic. Never gonna need that. And we've got the microphone. There it is. All right, for those out there who are familiar with these type of microphones, it is very reminiscent of the Rode VideoMicPro and many other shotgun microphones for DSLRs. First off, we've got a pretty standard shock mount. It does have a cold shoe with a 1/4-20 tap thread, and you got a pretty short cable with the 3.5mm plug, and we've got this nice little filter. Pull it off. There you go, you've got your shotgun microphone right underneath it. All right, now on the back, you've got your high pass filter on and off switch. You can set the decibels from -10 to 0 to +20, which is what we want it. Now, in most cases with DSLR, even as good as the one that I have, which is the Lumix GH4, the preamp built into it, they're not very good. And not only that, but they make like an electrical staticky sound. Now right here, you've got your off, your battery, and auto. Now battery is just on because this runs off of battery, but auto is a really cool feature that the Rode VideoMicPro doesn't have. Now when you set it on auto and you have it plugged into your DSLR, when you turn your DSLR off, it shuts off. When you turn it on, it turns back on. So that's really cool and it'll save you battery. Speaking of batteries, now as you can see on the Rode VideoMicPro, it has this very cumbersome contraption. I don't know who designed it. I don't know why they designed it this way, but it's a pain in the butt and I've had it for like 2 years and it still gives me trouble putting it back on. Now on the Azden, they've improved this. They put something that makes way more sense. All you do is you pull this down and it opens right up. And there you go. And this takes 2 AA batteries, which is great. So you get a couple rechargeable batteries, slap it in there, you're good to go. And that's all it takes to close it. Rode, please, I know you guys are coming out with a new one. I hope you guys fix that. It is so weird. Why? Just why? So I'm really happy. That, again, that was a selling point for me. Now let's do the comparison. All right, so right now you're listening to me on the Rode VideoMicPro. This is what I've been using for about 2 years or maybe even more now. All right, so now we are on the Azden SMX-15. This is what I sound like on this new microphone. And again, one more time on the Rode VideoMicPro. Well, let's switch over to the Azden one more time. All right, so now we are back over at the Azden SMX-15. This is what I would be sounding like from now on if I switch to this. Okay, so now we're gonna do the speaker test. I do this a lot on this channel, so we're gonna test it out. I'm using the Tribit X Sound Plus I reviewed a while back. I'll leave a link down below where you can find the video. It's an awesome speaker. I've been using it in my bathroom ever since. It's really good. But here we go. So that concludes the sound test. Don't forget to go over to the community page, help me out a whole lot, cast your vote, and let me know what you guys think of the Azden SMX-15 versus the Rode VideoMicPro. Again, I'm leaving it in your hands, as usual. All right, guys, so that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below, as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.